Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim with Kim's Inspired Life, and welcome back to hashtag Embellish With Us Wednesdays, hosted by our friends Judith at Gigiscoolcreations and Marianne at Marianne's Craft Corner. Guys, today I'm going to share these fun little felt dangles that I've made. Oh my gosh, I haven't beaded in a couple of months, but I was in Hobby Lobby. I went to pick up some felt to make some other little fun Valentine-y things, and so the felt squares, so what are these, 9 by 12 felt squares, are normally 33 cents each, and they were on sale for half price. So I picked up a couple so that I could start these felt tassels, and then I think next Wednesday I'll share with you the other little felt goodies that I've made as well. So let me share with you the pink ones I made, and then I'm also going to be making some same felt tassels because I love these little fun beads. When Bead Design Co. is half price, oh my gosh, I just can't pass them up. And so I bought these. These were half price, so $2.54, and there's 500 plus pieces in here, so I'll be using them to make some of these tassels. So out of this 9 by 12 piece of felt, I was able to make 15 tassels. And I followed a tutorial by Dina Kazarian, and she cut her strips to start making the little tassels 2 by 3, so 3 inches long by 2 inches wide. And then I just used my regular scissors to just go ahead and cut the strips, and then a really easy method using your tweezers and your glue gun just to roll them up and then seal them. So I just went ahead, and the first thing I did was I looked for whatever embellishment I was going to put on the outside, and then I just found some beads in my stash just to go ahead and match whatever that is. So that's a little fun crown. I want to say Tony at Creative Chica Halls gifted me this little crown that was in I believe that was in an embellishment box that she had sent me last year. So, and that's really fun. And then, of course, I have these Valentine heart beads. A lot of people have those, so I wanted to use those. And then here's a little kind of candy embellishment there that I use. Cabochon, are those called cabochons? A little embellishment there, and then this one has the same little heartbeats there. And then I had a few of these little purple bows I think I got from the Magical Mixer. A couple more that I made with those pink, using those little bows. This one's kind of a muted kind of pink color, and then I used the same pink bows. And then on this one was a little more purple in color, so I found some clear bows and bows that had more of a lavender color to them. And then this light pink bow is so pretty. And then I was gifted these. I think these 2 hearts came from an embellishment box I received from Judith. Thank you, Judith. And those are really pretty. And so I put that one together. And then this was kind of a teal bow, so I found a couple of big teal beads. I think these big beads are just so pretty, aren't they? And then this little angel charm was an embellishment box that I received from Pam, I believe, at Pamela's Creations. So. And then I had bought these, I think, also from the Magical Mixery, these kind of shaker hearts. And then I used 2 of these big pink bubble beads. They're so cute. And then another one of the pink shaker hearts, and then put on some heart, and then use some of the heart beads there. And then I had bought these little wood hearts at a bead store in LA when I went when I was there a few months ago. And then I love these little striped beads. I don't have very many of them. I'm sure they came in an embellishment box that I was gifted. And then I found that little flower there. And then I went ahead and did a purple one with this purple wood heart. And then I decided to put that heart, to glue that heart on there. So I love pink and purple together. That's really pretty. And then I found this little unicorn in my stash and thought, oh, that's cute, and just happened to have some little beads that look like they're kind of ombre looking that kind of went along with that. And then I wanted to use these pink pom-pom. These are Bead Company beads too. And so I wanted to use those. I just thought those were really fun. So I found this pink big bead to go with it. That candy cabochon to put on there. This little flower was pretty, so I wanted to use that, so I just added some of the pink beads there. And then the last one, using one of these hearts, purple this time, with some little sparkly beads. I think these little faceted beads are probably one of my favorite beads. And then I didn't add a little charm or anything or cabochon on there. I just left that plain. So that's it. So those are the embellishments that I made for this week for hashtag Embellish With Us Wednesday. I just love being able to go into my stash and see what I want to work with. Now I have all of these dangles that I can use in Happy Mail and use in my projects, and then I'll be making some in Thank you everyone that's posting and sharing all of your wonderful embellishments. I just get inspired every week when I look at what you are creating. There's just not enough time in the day to make everything that I want to make. So enjoy your Wednesday, everyone. So definitely follow the hashtag Embellish With Us Wednesdays and go and check out all of the other wonderful crafters that are posting in this collab. All right, guys, thanks. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.